Hello, hope everyone's doing fantastic. I just wanted to make a little video explaining how to organise your time, why it's important, what do you gain, and how to do it. So firstly, why is it important? Organisation is key for things to go smoothly. Look at a business. A business has a goal in mind, which is to make a profit. And if you look at yourself like a business, your goal is to get progress in the gym, to lose weight, to gain muscle, whatever it is. A business has that goal in mind, and then they have a set routine and process of how they go about that. So people have a job description, they have things they need to do, they have a certain time that they have to turn up to work to do their job, then they have a certain leaving time. So if you look at yourself like a business with the goal in mind to make progress, you put in place processes that allow you to do that. Simple. Helps you to stop forgetting things and running out of time. Busy day at work, get home, you don't have any meal prep, you don't have any food, so you just have some toast and then you go to bed. This could have been avoided by pre-planning when you're going to do your meal prep, getting it done, segregating some time for it, and then you've avoided this whole issue. And it's not just your meal prep, it's also different things like your training, your sleep, your downtime, whatever it is. Clarity allows you to see the big picture and plan ahead. If you had on your screen a list of everything you need to do in a week, I guarantee you that you would do a lot more than if you didn't. You can plan ahead, you can make changes, you know what's coming, so you can work around it. What do you gain? Like the previous point, focus. We can see what we're doing, we know what the plan is, and then we can follow the plan. If someone comes along and says, hey, do you want to go help me do so-and-so tomorrow? You know already that you've got something planned. You've got to do your meal prep for the week. So you don't end up double booking. Things like that. And secondly, better results. If a business, again, back on the business line, if a business had the goal of making X amount of money, making X amount of pizzas in a day, but they didn't hire someone who knows how to make pizza, they didn't tell them what time to turn up, they didn't do their orders correctly because they forgot to do it, they're not going to get that result. To follow the plan. I help you by teaching you what it is you need to do to get to your results. You simply need to execute. You pre-planned your week, you know what you're doing, when and where, it's going to be so much easier. And lastly, less thinking. Overthinking leads to inaction, and that leads to procrastination and anxiety because you don't do the things you need to do. If you don't have a plan in place, you think you just throw in some workouts here and there, you get to the end of your workday, and then it turns out, oh no, I remember I need to do so-and-so, but I didn't have it written down. They've only just reminded you, and now you've missed the workout. Same with your meal prep or anything like that. You discover a plan that you'd previously made, you hadn't written it down, you forgot about it, now it's interrupted your week, you've not got meal prep, so you're going to be off with your nutrition as well. So going through the week, you don't need to think every day, right, what am I doing today? You already know. So how to do it? Google Calendar is my recommendation. It's incredibly easy to use. It syncs with your computer and your phone. The usability on it is absolutely amazing. With on your laptop, with a simple click, you can create an event, a time, a duration, a location, all the details. You can add people in there so they get emails reminding them about it. And it syncs with your emails as well. So if you get an email, someone sending you an event, it will automatically link it to your calendar. Holidays. So it's going to tell you public holidays as well. So if you have a certain routine and you end up going at peak time on a certain day, but then it turns out to be a bank holiday Monday, you know that it's probably not going to be busy at that time. So you can change your schedule to work around holidays. So let's have a look at it. Google Calendar. As I said, super easy to use. One click of the button, we have an event, blah, blah, blah. Easy peasy. And you can set it recurring. It's at that time every week. Easy peasy. So the first thing you want to do is to put your non-negotiables. That would be your day job, your work, looking after a child, looking after a pet from a family member, things like that. Stuff that you need to do without question. So pop that in, set it to recurring, block out that time so you know nothing's getting in the way of that. And then secondly, we need to find time for our training. Pop that into your plan, into your calendar, so you know you're going to be doing it each day. Commit to 3 workouts a week, then you put your 3 workouts in there. If you can't commit to 5 workouts, don't say you're going to do it. Just commit to 3, pop them in there, and stick to it. Then next, we need to find time for our nutrition. So we need to do a food shop. So find the perfect day. Usually going to be your days off, weekends perhaps. If you get weekends off, pop a time that works for you. Things like downtime. You have to have downtime, otherwise you'll burn out, you'll be very bored, you'll be very miserable. So schedule something that's going to be fun, it's going to be enjoyable for you. A date night with a partner, go see a movie or something, go to a restaurant. Block it out so that you make sure you do it. Then you can add little things in there that are, then they're not as important, but they're additions. So I study to make my education better for people like you, for my clients. I also schedule things that are important life admin tasks. So housework, doing the washing, doing the cleaning. Plan those things ahead, get them set in your schedule, and then you won't forget them. So that's how Google Calendar works. I've explained why it's important, how to do it, and what you get out of it. Absolutely recommend after this video, you take 20 minutes, go onto your phone, go onto your laptop, make a little organization of your week. Plan how your week's going to go. Add as many things in there as you can. Send me a draft if you like, and then I can help you tweak it, see if there's any way we can improve it. But the benefits of organizing your time are infinite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye-bye.